In this tutorial I will show you how to make this letter portrait design in Photoshop. Let's subscribe my channel and get new video with every new day. Complete A to Z letter portraits videos. Follow the process. Pick image which you want to create letter portrait. Change gradient color from gradient editor using color picker. Pick text tool. I'm using this font and download link in description. Select Move tool. And click on these icons to center the letter. Resize your font as per your requirements. Change text layer fill option to 0%. Right-click on text layer and choose blending options. Choose stroke and follow these settings. Resize your image as per your requirements. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl+J or Command+J. Select subject. Click on mask icon. Change text color. Select Move tool. Apply gradients on background layer. Hold Ctrl+ layer thumbnail or Command+ layer thumbnail for select layer content. Click on mask icon. Invert selection by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I or Command+Shift+I. Remove unwanted area. Apply letter shadow effect using ellipse tool. Apply filter. Select Gaussian blur. Reduce opacity to 60%. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.